In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mute video, sound, and audio in Google Vids. So first, open up your project and go to the scene with your video clip. Now in the canvas, click on your video clip and this mini toolbar will then pop up. So all you have to do is click on this speaker icon. Then in the right menu, you'll see the mute option. So all you have to do is tick the box beside it. Or you can also just drag this slider down to 0 to mute the video sound completely. If your project has separate audio tracks, you just have to repeat the same process and select the music or video that has sound you'd like to mute. Then right click on it and click on sound. And here repeat the same process of muting or sliding the volume down to 0. And lastly, make sure to preview your video to make sure the sound is muted before exporting. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video and see you again on the next one.